Hello, I'm Jason. I come from Wenzhou Holy Automatic. Today we have go outside our buildings. We have look our panels, systems control, and with our electronic butterfly views. This is solar panels, black, and with the box of batteries and infinite, and it can supply the DC 24 voltage. And now we have example this early times, and now I use an cell phones to control the open and close of the view. Now here I open the 50% of the views, and I send this information to the views. Please look. Now the butterfly view has opened 50%, and I give 100% open of this view. And this is a modulate electronic. This model called HEV. And then when those views were running, it was maybe in the pipelines. So we can see from the bottom of this position in vector by here, and I open the 50%. Then you have close. This is 50% or open. Okay, you can have view of this, then you will know the position of the views. This solar system panels with our electronic views was widely used in the outside rooms without the electronic powers. And if you're interested in these systems, please contact our sellers, and I will do more series of videos. Thank you for your watching. This is Jason. See you next time. Bye bye.